everyone is finally back in school. I'm excited to be back in my workspace with no one here, and it's very quiet. It does feel a little weird, but I'm excited. And I'm going to actually do something a little creative. I'm going to be making something for myself instead of anything paper related. I'm sewing an apron. My mother-in-law shared the pattern with me, and it's super cute, so I'm excited to work on that. I haven't sewn anything in a long time. If I find a pattern, I'll be linking it below the video. I think the apron will be perfect to wear for painting when I'm in my workspace or just doing like housework. So yeah, I'm excited. I think it looks kind of like a romper, so it's going to be really cute. Hopefully I come out with something at the end. And here it is. I love how it came out. I can't believe it. It was actually really easy. I don't know where she got the pattern from, but if I find it online, I'll be linking it for you guys. I love that it's reversible. So I do kind of like the gray that I chose so that it's plain. And then there's this pattern, and I feel like I can just wear it out, and it has these pockets. I can't believe I sewed this myself. So excited to be wearing this probably when I'm painting, and then I changed into a white top just so that you can see how it looks. It's so cute. It kind of looks like a romper. But anyways, we'll be heading out to a coffee shop that we're gonna check out, so I'll be taking you guys with me.
I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart.
creamy was so much fun. I love the ice cream maker. I'm so excited to like try different recipes. So we really wanted to do like Greek yogurt based ice cream and hoping that it'll help with the texture and it'll actually kind of give us that feeling that it's ice cream. I'll be making a handful of recipes and see if it works out, and if it does, then I'll write out recipes for you guys. But yeah, today I'm back in my workspace trying to work on my paper orchid order. So that's what I'll be working on today.